Question 11 has 3 parts to it. They're all involving the same word problem prompt that tells me the diameters of Christmas trees are normally distributed with a mean of 5 inches and a standard deviation of 1.5 inches. So for all parts A, B, and C, we'll be using the mean of 5 and the standard deviation of 1.5. Part A asks what proportion of the trees will be between 4 and 6 inches. To do a between question like this, we need to find both z-scores. So we're going to start by doing the z-score for 4. Z equals 4 minus 5 over 0.15. Then we're going to do the z-score for 6. 6 minus 5 over 0.15. When I put these in my calculator, it ends up being here. Oh, I'm sorry. This should be 1.5, not 0.15. That makes a big difference. That's why I wasn't seeing what I thought I was going to see. So if I do 4 minus 5 over 1.5, I get negative 0.67. If I do it 6 minus 5 over 1.5, I get 0.67. So even though these are the same negative and positive, I still need to look up both answers in my table. The negative answer, negative 0.67, gets me to a p-value of 0.2514. The positive version, 0.67, gets me to a p-value of 0.7486. I then take the larger p-value, 0.7486, minus smaller p-value, 0.2514. When I put that into my calculator, 0.7486 minus 0.2514 gives me 0.4972, which is the correct answer to this question. For part B, it asks me what proportion will be less than 4 inches. I could do a z-score, go through the same steps, but really I already did it for the question above. All I need to see is that because this is a less than question, this is the exact table value for 4, so I need to do no additional work. I can just report this as p equals 0.2514. For part C, what proportion will be more than 7 inches? I need to do a new z-score. Z equals 7 minus 5 over 1.5. When I put that in my calculator, it tells me 1.33 repeating. So I'm going to look up in the table 1.33. On the positive side, I go down to the row marked 1.3, over to the column 0.03, and that's how I get a p-value of 0.9082. Because it's a more than question, it said what will be greater than 7 inches or what won't our stand be able to fit that can only expand to 7 inches. I need to do 1 minus the table value. That works out to 0.0918.